Hello and welcome to the flip through of my steampunk journal. This is the tassel. It hooks here on this loop. This is the spine. This is the closure. You untie here. And this collage of fabric here, layered fabric, just lays aside. There is a clamp up here with beads and fibers. This is fabric, lace, and leather, faux leather, layered on the hardcover book. Brads and lace hanging over the edges. Here's the inside page. There's the spine and how the thread is attached. This is a wax seal. Journaling card. Lots of room to journal. Journaling card. Journaling card. Journaling opportunity. Envelope in the center that tucks like that to close. Have an envelope on the top that is attached with a clip. Journaling opportunity. A altered paper clip journaling spot that holds this envelope in place, which has journaling. An envelope, journaling cards. This is a flap, pocket flap, tag, poem, journaling card, layered journaling journaling card pocket, tuck spot. We have the train. And then the back here has 2 slots. Again, there's more journaling spots over here. I have a little pocket here that says handcrafted by Melody Huey and the date, and this can be taken out and used for other things. We have a pocket here with an envelope and some ephemera. Thank you so much for watching my flip through. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it inspired you. I will be doing steampunk again in the future, but right now on Fridays, Deb and I are going to switch gears. I'm going to be doing boho, and she is still deciding and coming up with great ideas. So check us out, Melody Made, Fridays with Deb Farrell. Thank you so much.